We're going to see what's in the box?
Yep.
Hypergo-Go sent us their Christmas edition.
Gingerbread man.
Look at there. There's a fender.
Santa. Oh.
Holy. It's the whole thing. Fenders, tank, everything. This stuff off to put this stuff on. Boo. What'd you do with the ratchet, dude? Grab that one. Papa's cheating. Okay, there you go. Let's take the front fender off.
Good job. You got it.
Here. Got it. Got to go down more. Okay, let's go this one.
There you
Okay,
go. Good job.
there it went. Easy. Oh, Hazel, you come off. There you go. Here's the other one. Let's put it in. You got both of them? Can you put the nut on it? There it is.
Good job.
Good job. Keep going. Look at there. What y'all think? You like the Christmas? Huh? Good job. Y'all all did a good job.